All right, today was amazing. We went out for scallops, but it was more than just that. We got to see dolphins, we got to see lots of wildlife under the water. You're gonna see the footage. But it all culminates right here with the poke that Megan made, and I can't wait to try it.
I want to say I'm really tired, but I'm not. I've been up since 3:20. I am super excited. We're going scalloping up in Homosassa. Second year living in Florida, and we're doing it again.
He's excited. I'm still half asleep. I've already dropped my phone, spilt my coffee, and tripped over the dog this morning. Guess who's driving?
We're in Homosassa. So excited. You want to see some gators? One there. Look at that bad boy. He's huge. So what a great way to start the day. We got up to Homosassa and it was like, what time did we stop at McDonald's?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, it was like 6 a.m. We get up to McDonald's and we go to pay and the lady's like, hey, the guy in front of you paid for you. And we're like, what? She's like, yeah, he paid for you. We're like, well, shoot, let us pay for the person behind. Well, we did, and theirs was $2.50, so I kind of felt like a schmuck, but what a great way to start the day with just people paying it forward. This is the boat that we're going to be on. It's a double bimini. It's a pontoon. She's already got her spot. What's that?
It's wet.
It's wet? And this is who we're going out with. And just like last year, we're gonna see some monkeys. Yes. You wanna see some monkeys?
I see one every day.
Oh, sick burn.
So today we went up to Homosassa and we went scalloping. We got a couple gallons of them. My back's been pretty bad. I really need surgery and I can't get it. Thank you, COVID. So we've been kind of limited on the things we can do, but this is a nice low impact fishing adventure. So as you can see, we got probably about a couple gallons of them in there. We're gonna go ahead and show you how to shuck them. And after that, we're gonna prepare dinner, which is going to be a scallop poke salad. Now, before you start shucking all of these scallops, you wanna make sure that you have everything set up. You wanna have your scallops on top of a bowl of ice, and you wanna have where the scallops are going to go into once they've been deshelled. You wanna make sure that that is sitting on a bed of ice as well. You wanna make sure, since it's seafood, that everything is kept as cold as humanly possible. We also have a knife and a spoon. That's pretty much all you need to shuck these scallops.
All right, so I'm about to shuck these scallops. It's a fairly simple process. So I'm gonna take my knife, insert in the little slit here, twist until it just pops open just enough to where I can get my spoon in there. I'm gonna look at what I'm doing so that I don't leave any meat attached to the top. That's almost perfect, look at that. That's all we wasted. Now what I'm gonna do is take my spoon and from the back of the shell, I'm gonna work it forward, pinching those guts down. There we go. Nice clean shell, nice clean piece of meat. Save this for chum. And repeat. We're gonna go ahead and get the rest of these done. Now I've got all these to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get to it. While I'm doing this, I'm gonna roll some footage of one of the guys we were on the boat with who had never been scalloping before and had never cleaned one before. David is his name. He's a violin teacher and he did a phenomenal job. So we're gonna roll those clips right now.
That's a good one. Look at that. Look at that. I did it. Good job. Go for it. All right. And then I gently. Oh my God! I did it, guys.
Okay, so now we're gonna get started on our poke marinade. Here we have about a half a pint of scallops. I'm allergic to them, I can't really eat them. We have a half a teaspoon of chili powder and garlic powder. We have a tablespoon of sesame oil, a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, and 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. We also have some organic honey here. To begin, we're gonna pour all of the wet ingredients into the bowl. To this, we are going to add a tablespoon and a half of honey. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our scallops. So here's what we're going to be using to make our poke salad. We have our lettuce, our marinated scallops, some marinated carrots with a little bit of sesame oil and rice wine vinegar, mango, cucumber, tomatoes, and avocado. To begin, we're going to place some of our cucumbers, a little bit of our tomato, gonna fan some of our avocado out. We're gonna place a little bit of our carrot. In the center, we're gonna place some of our mango. And on top of that, we're gonna go ahead and place our scallop poke. Put a little piece of mango on top. Then we're gonna take some toasted sesame seeds. Once you've got your toasted sesame on top, you're gonna just add a little pinch of green onion. And your poke bowl is complete.
Here we go. Last year you saw us cook them. This year, we're not cooking them at all. Nothing beats fresh scallops. I gotta say, I'm a little bit selfish right now because Megan is still allergic. That's not gonna change. So every year we go out, she always beats me in the number that we bring back, but I always get to enjoy them. This is fantastic. So if you haven't done it, get out there. It's not hard to do. It is so much fun and it is so relaxing and it's rewarding. It's not hard to clean and there's something really fulfilling about catching your food or foraging for your food, cleaning it, cooking it or not, and then eating it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You guys want to see more? Definitely please subscribe. And remember, dinner is waiting. Go and get it.